How to make a beautiful paracord Christmas wreath. Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for yet another awesome paracord tutorial. Today we're gonna create this beautiful Christmas ornament, so stay tuned cause tutorial is right around the corner. Enjoy and have fun. So for today's project we're gonna use these 5 pieces of a gold paracord, 5 pieces of a red paracord, and this green paracord also 550. So before we start, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful paracord Christmas wreath as well, the full tutorial you have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box of this video. There you can find the tutorial for this beautiful paracord bracelet I am wearing today. So don't forget to check the information cards and the description box. Now we're gonna start. We're gonna take the ends of our green and find the center. And I'm gonna zoom a bit so you can clearly see. From here we're gonna take our green paracord and we're gonna cross it, creating a loop like this. And from this end I'm gonna take the right side and pull it a bit down around the length around the 4 fingers, and from here I'm gonna pinch this end and pull it all the way. So we're gonna create a bite or a loop like this, and we're gonna insert it from the back through the loop of the green, then around, and we're gonna pull it through the same loop of a gold one. And from here, as you can see, we have the right side a little bit longer than the left one. So we're gonna take the right strand, and we're gonna pass it under this green one, make it around, and from the top side into the loop here, or a gap between the gold and the green. Now cinch it well, tie it, and we're gonna proceed. So from here I'm gonna take the gold one, pass it under this green, and now on top of it, and twist a bit this gold one, and from the top I'm gonna pass our gold through the gap between green and the gold. And by doing this we created the double cow's hitches on the outer side of our Christmas wreath. Now we're gonna create one more pass or a knot like this. So from the back we're gonna pass it around this green, and then under and through the gap between green and the gold. And once more we're gonna create the double cow hitch with this second knot. From here we're gonna pass it under the green, around, and from the top into the loop or the space between the green and the gold one. And once more here we have the double cow's hitches. Tie it up, and we're gonna now do the left side. So we're gonna take our gold and place it under the green, around, and from the top in the loop or the gap between green and the gold, and to the side, cinch it. From here we're gonna take our gold, pass it under this green, and then on top of it, now twist a bit this gold one from the side, and from the top pass it through the gap between gold and the green, and cinch this end well. Now as you can see we have 2 cow's hitches on the right side and 1 on the left side. That's why we have the more length of paracord on the right side than on the left side. Now we're gonna cross our green again, and from here we're gonna simply take our gold, pass it under the green, and then from the top through the loop here between the green and the gold, or a gap as you wish. And we're going to do the same on the left side, so from the top into the space between green and the gold. Now pull it all together, singe it. And as you can see, we finished our first knot. Now we're gonna do the second one, but before that we need to create the basic snake knot. So we're gonna take our our green, right side green paracord, and we're gonna pass it around the green and these two let's say leftovers of a gold. Create the loop like so, and from this end we're gonna take our left side green, make it around, and from the top side we're gonna pass it through this loop here in the middle, and now we're gonna tie it. And we're gonna proceed with our red paracord. So once more, take the red, measure the length around 4 fingers, and then pull it all the way, find the center, and here we're gonna cross again our green, and we're gonna pull our red from the back through that loop, and then ends of a red through the loop of a red. And if you have the microcord, let's say gold microcord, you can create the ends here to be in the gold color. When we created our gold endings, the length of the microcord was 30 centimeters each, so 60 centimeters in total. We're gonna use the bits, so if you have a bit like I have here, you can simply insert it into the loop of your red and make it even more beautiful. So here we are, our Paracord Christmas wreath is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and the family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon. Bye!